What a beautiful GTI. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlogs. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I can't tell you how many times I hear, that's a beautiful GTI. I really like your GTI, that's a nice GTI. I wish I had a GTI. And I'm just saying like, I like your eyes? I don't know how to tell them because I don't want to be like, well really it's like it's not a GTI, it's actually like a base color, because then I sound like a dick. And I don't know, I just don't want to be that kind of guy. Anyway, right now I'm going to go stop by McDonald's, get something to eat. I know the McDonald's. Actually, I might stop by Chick-fil-A instead. Yeah, I'll go by Chick-fil-A. Then I got to go to work. If time permits, I do have to leave for a doctor's appointment today. I don't know if we're going to be able to install a filter on the new car. Not my car. A new car. A new car, not my car. If you haven't noticed, I'm filming on the GoPro right now. That's not a Go, it's the GoPro. Because my dumbass forgot the SD card. I don't know where it is and I don't have time to find it. So, filming on that. Anyway, I'm going to strap this thing on my head and we'll get going. I've got 10 minutes to be safe and get to work on time and eat. What do I want? I want a chicken biscuit, don't I? Yeah, I want a chicken biscuit.
Take it for today.
Can I get a chicken biscuit and a small Diet Dr. Pepper?
So today is $4 each. We'll take care of your order with that.
Alright, thanks so much.
My pleasure.
Nothing better in the morning than a good Chick-fil-A sandwich. Period. I don't care what you say. Change my mind. I don't know. It's worth it to at all, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I work at a pizzeria and I wash dishes. Hell yeah. I don't know. I like it. It's real fun. I mean, I don't want to say like washing dishes is fun, but the environment is fun. You know, I'm working with my friends. Some of my best friends actually, who I've been in touch with since high school, or actually since my first year in high school. To give you an idea of how long that was 5 years ago, at least. And one of them I've known since I was like 9 or 10, something like that. I was pretty young. So yeah, it's really cool that I get to work with them. And my boss is super awesome, real chill, real understanding. And you can't ask for anything better than that. But yeah. Summer's downtime. Go back to school in August, so I've got 3 months. Well, now I've got about 2.5 months. So I gotta go back, make some money, because I am trying to get rid of this car. I am trying to get a different car. Here at Sarone's Pizza, we make custom pizzas and custom cars.
Exactly.
Oh shit, I missed. Shit, I missed again.
I got it. First.
Fucking do it. I'm a wimp. There's Zippy Boy right there. I'm gonna let you do all the work. This is your car, not mine. Oh, what the hell is that? That shit don't fit.
Nope.
What do you got there?
Brand new filter. That will fit.
Oh gosh, you gotta act excited. Golly. Oh baby. Oh baby. Ooh. Oh doctor.
I'll make sure it doesn't move that too much.
Nice and snug.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I mean, that's not moving.
Good.